Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to mark an invoice as paid on Freshbooks. So this is going to become particularly useful just in case someone pays you outside of Freshbooks. Let's say they actually pay you in cash. So the way to do this is to actually go ahead onto your Freshbooks account, which looks like this right here. Now, if you haven't already sent the invoice, what you're going to do on the left-hand side is click on invoices and then click on new invoice and then go ahead and actually send that invoice. So we're going to assume that you've already actually sent the Freshbooks invoice. Now, if you scroll down, here's a demo invoice that I sent to Bright Future Co. In order to actually mark this as paid, what you're going to do is actually click on this add payment icon. So if you highlight the invoice, click on add a payment, you'll be able to mark it as paid. Now, another way to do it is that let's say you have multiple invoices that you want to mark as paid. The way to do it is that you simply click on the check box and then click on bulk actions and then click on add a payment. So both these methods lead to the same area. So if you actually go ahead and click on add a payment here you can see that it's going to say that you received a payment type. You can say cash, check, credit card, debit. We're going to use cash here. And then the amount was $15. And then you can input any internal notes here and then also indicate when the payment date was received. So as you can see here, it's a $15 USD total payment received from Bright Future Corp. What you want to do is click on save. Now, anytime I mark an invoice as paid, I do always make sure that I send clients a payment notification email just to kind of confirm that yes, we actually did receive your payment. So once you click on save here, what's going to happen is that this invoice is now going to be marked as paid. So that is how you actually mark an invoice as paid on Freshbooks. If you know of a better way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.